What a beautiful surprise. I wasn't expecting it. Certainly not in midwinter. This is one of my garden favourites. Anemone coronaria, Mr. Fokker. Breathtaking, deep, velvety, violet blue blooms. I planted these for the first time in late 2024. They flowered beautifully in mid-spring this year, and then they were done. Or so I thought. It's midwinter now, and look, they've returned. A second blooming that I never expected. An incredible gift, just in time for Christmas. These poppy anemones have their own special gift. Sensing light and weather, they open or close their flowers, protecting their pollen when it rains. There aren't many pollinators around right now, but during the brightest part of the day, these flowers open fully anyway, trusting that something will come. Even if it's just this little spiral snail that crawled into the safety of the petals while they were closed. Now vulnerable, the snail will move on. The flower, however, trusts in itself, opens anyway. The best gifts are often the unexpected ones, the ones you didn't know you needed. A joyful sign for 2026. That's it for Blooming Slopes Gardens for this year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.